Why your snoring is killing your energy, focus, and libido. Snoring isn't just a sleep issue, it's an oxygen issue. And oxygen is what powers everything. When your airway is blocked, even partially, your brain gets less oxygen. Your cells recover slower. Your hormone levels start to crash. The result? You wake up groggy, sluggish, unfocused, you overcaffeinate, you underperform, and your libido? Forget it. It's the first to go when testosterone drops and cortisol rises. You think you're just tired, but your body is actually in survival mode. Night after night, your brain is forced to choose, breathe or sleep, and that choice slowly wrecks your energy, your mood, and your drive. Snoring is the symptom. Mouth breathing is the cause. Hostage tape solves that.